Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Hope you all will be fine. Today we are starting a new chapter, Introduction to Trigonometry. The word trigonometry has been derived from a Greek word which meaning is measurement of triangles. Triangle is a shape with three angles. It is an important branch of mathematics which deal with the solution of triangles. Solution of a triangle means to find its three sides and angles. In the development of trigonometry, the Muslim mathematician, particularly Abu Abdullah Abatafi al-Biruni and Muhammad bin Musa al-Khwarizmi made a lot of contributions. So, let's moving towards our next topic, trigonometric ratios of an acute angle. Now first, what is acute angle? Acute angle is less than 90 degree. So let us consider a right angle triangle ABC with respect to an angle theta. Angle CAB with angle ABC is equals to 90 degree. In a right angle triangle, the side in front of angle 90 degree is always called hypotenuse. The side in front of the given angle theta will be called perpendicular, and the side between given angle is 90 degree and the base of a triangle. So, in front of theta is called perpendicular, and the side in front of given angle theta is called perpendicular, and in front of 90 degree is called hypotenuse, and between these two called base. Perpendicular is equals to A, and B is equals to hypotenuse, and C is equals to base. We named this. So we have to find the ratios. So a ratio is sine theta, cos theta or tan theta. So for this sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, for finding these, you people learn. आप अगर एक स्टेटमेंट है उसको याद कर लें तो उससे आपको जो है वो इनकी रेशियोज इजीली याद हो जाएंगी. सो वो स्टेटमेंट आपकी क्या है? सम पीपल हैव कर्ली ब्राउन हेयर्स थ्रू प्रॉपर ब्रशिंग. सो ये कैसे बनेगी आपकी? सम स्टैंड्स फॉर साइन थीटा, पी फॉर परपेंडिकुलर, एच फॉर हाइपोटेन्यूस, सी फॉर कोस, बी फॉर बेस, एच फॉर हाइपोटेन्यूस, टी फॉर टैन, पी फॉर परपेंडिकुलर एंड बी फॉर बेस. सो अगर आप देखें तो इसमें साइन थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू परपेंडिकुलर ओवर हाइपोटेन्यूस, कोस थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू बेस ओवर हाइपोटेन्यूस एंड टेन थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू परपेंडिकुलर ओवर बेस. सो अगर हमने इसको नेम दिया हुआ है कि परपेंडिकुलर, हाइपोटेन्यूस और बेस को ए बी सी में, तो हमारा परपेंडिकुलर है ए और हाइपोटेन्यूस है बी. सो ए ओवर बी इज इक्वल्स टू साइन थीटा, एंड बेस हमारा है सी और हाइपोटेन्यूस है हमारा बी. सो सी ओवर बी इज इक्वल्स टू कोस थीटा, एंड परपेंडिकुलर है हमारा ए और बेस हमारा है सी. सो ए ओवर सी इज इक्वल्स टू टेन थीटा. द इनवर्स ऑफ दीज रेशियोज आर कोसेकंड थीटा which is hypotenuse by perpendicular, which is b by a, and secant theta which is hypotenuse by base, which is b by c, and cot theta which is base by perpendicular, which is c by a. Now example 1, in the given triangle ABC, angle theta, measurement of the sides ABC in the figure, find the value of trigonometry ratio. So हमने इसको फाइंड आउट करना है. हमें रेशियोज जो हैं वो उनके पता है कि क्या होती हैं. साइन थीटा, कोस थीटा, टैन थीटा, कोसेकंड थीटा, सीकंड थीटा और कोट थीटा की जो है वो रेशियोज हमें पता है कि क्या होती हैं. तो हम इन वैल्यूज़ को पुट करके जो हमें ए, बी और सी की दी गई हैं, हम अपनी एग्जांपल जो है वो उसको सोल्व आउट कर सकते हैं. सो साइन थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू ए बाय बी. सो हेयर ए इज इक्वल्स टू 3 and b is equals to 5. So our ratio is 3 by 5. Cos theta is equals to c by b. So हमारा c is equals to 4 and b is equals to 5 है. So 4 by 5 is our ratio. Tan theta is equals to a by c. a is equals to 3 and c is equals to 4. So हमारी ये ratio है 3 by 4. Cosecant theta is equals to b by a. b is equals to 5 and a is equals to 3. So 5 by 3 is our ratio. Secant theta is equals to b by c, b is equals to 5 and c is equals to 4. So our ratio is 5 by 4. cot theta is equals to C by A. So for C is equals to 4 and A is equals to 3. So 4 by 3 is our ratio. This is our solution for example 1. Now moving toward exercise 11.1. Question number 1. For each of the following right angle triangles, find the trigonometric ratios. So here two right angle triangles are given. We know that our perpendicular is equals to A and our base is equals to C and hypotenuse is equals to B. So we name these as A, B and C, and we do the same with the second right angle triangle. So moving toward our parts. Part 1, sine theta. We have to find sine theta values. So you people know about the ratios. So sine theta is equals to A by B. Now by putting our values in this ratio, so A is equals to 4 and B is equals to 5. So our ratio of sine theta for first right angle triangle is 4 by 5. For second right angle triangle, A is equals to 8 and B is equals to 17. So our ratio is 8 by 17. Part 2, cos theta. As our ratio for cos theta is equals to C by B, C considered as base and B as the hypotenuse. So in first right angle triangle, our base is 3 and hypotenuse is 5. So ratio is 3 by 5. In second right angle triangle, the base is 15 and the hypotenuse is equals to 17. So our ratio is 15 by 17. Part 3, tan theta. Tan theta ratio is A by C. We considered A as perpendicular and the C as the base. So our base for first right angle triangle is 3 and the perpendicular is equals to 4. So our ratio is 4 by 3. Now in second right angle triangle, the A is equals to 8 and C is equals to 15. So 8 by 15 is our ratio. Part 4, secant theta. As secant theta is equals to B by C. So in our first right angle triangle, B is equals to 5 and C is equals to 3. So our ratio is 5 by 3. And in second right angle triangle, our B is equals to 17 and C is equals to 15. So our ratio is 17 by 15. 5, cosecant theta. As cosecant theta is equals to B by A and in first right angle triangle, B is equals to 5 and A is equals to 4. So ratio is 5 by 4. In second right angle triangle, B is equals to 17 and A is equals to 8. So our ratio is 17 by 8. Part 6, cot phi. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे हमने फाई एंगल जो है वो उसका फाइंड आउट करना है कोड। तो यहाँ पहले हम ये बात डिस्कस कर लें कि जिस एंगल को हमने फाइंड आउट करना होता है हम उसके मुताबिक जो है वो अपनी बेस, परपेंडिकुलर और हाइपोटेन्यूज जो है वो डिसाइड करते हैं। पहले हमने थीटा को करना था तो वो हमारे जो है वो बेस, हाइपोटेन्यूज और परपेंडिकुलर चेंज था, बट हमने जो है वो अब फाई को करना है तो जो फ्रंट लाइन होती है वो हमारी होती है परपेंडिकुलर। सो यहाँ पे हमारा परपेंडिकुलर है ये 3 जो कि ए है हमारा, और उसके साथ वाली जो होती है वो हमारी बेस होती है। ठीक है, तो ये हमारी बेस यहाँ पे C4 है और ये लाइन जो है वो ये हमारी हाइपोटेन्यूज से रहेगी, ये हमारी बी है। सो बाय सॉल्यूशन cot phi इज इक्वल्स टू C बाय A। सो सी हमारी जो है सी जो है वो बेस है हमारी और जो हमारा ए है वो परपेंडिकुलर है। सो बाय पुटिंग वैल्यूज 4 by 3 इज आवर रेशियो ऑफ फर्स्ट ट्राइंगल, राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल। सो इन सेकंड राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल आर बेस इज 8 and our perpendicular is 15. So ratio is 8 by 15. Part 7, tan phi. So as solution tan phi is equals to perpendicular by base. So our perpendicular is 3 in first right angle triangle and our base is 4. So 3 by 4 is our ratio of first right angle triangle. And in second right angle triangle our perpendicular is 15 and our base is 8. So 15 by 8 is our ratio. Now 8 is sin phi. So sin phi and sin phi is equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So our in first right angle triangle our perpendicular is 3 and our hypotenuse is 5. So 3 by 5 is our ratio of first right angle triangle, and in second right angle triangle our perpendicular is 15 and our base hypotenuse is 17. So 15 by 17 is our ratio. Now part 9, secant phi. So as relation secant phi is equals to b by c. So here b is equals to 5 and c is equals to 4. So 5 by 4 is our ratio of first right angle triangle. And in part b, in second right angle triangle, our b is equals to 17 and c is equals to 8. So 17 by 8 is our ratio. So part 10 is equals to cos phi. So as cos phi is equals to c by b. So our c is equals to 4 and b is equals to 5 in first right angle triangle. So our ratio is 4 by 5. And in second right angle triangle our c is equals to 8 and b is equals to 17. So 8 by 17 is our ratio. Thank you.